Good morning, everyone who is watching and listening for today's video. So, ano masasabi mo sa cheating or sa cheater? You know what? Cheater will never be satisfied. Kung saan man siya pumunta, kung sino mang ang i-partner niya, he or she will never be satisfied because he or she is not contented and out of focus. Kung hindi siya marunong mag-manage ng past relationship, lalo na sa present relationship niya. So, yung cheater, may pag-asa pa bang bumago? May pag-asang bumago kung gustuhin niyang bumago. Pero, hindi na siya magbago kung gusto niya rin ginagawa niya. So, he will never be satisfied kung anong ginagawa niya. And, be careful. Sa taong ganyan, it's because paglalaruan ka lang niya. Hindi maganda. Me personally, I experience having relationship with the cheater. Malalaman mo yung mga signs na nag-cheat siya. Dahil ito ay defensive. At yung cellphone niya, hindi niya gustong hawakan yung cellphone niya. At tingnan mo kung ano ang laman ng cellphone niya. Walang transparency sa cheater. Kasi ang cheater ay secretive. So, be careful of the cheater. Today, maraming nag-cheat. It's because there's no contentment. Gusto ng ganito, ganyan, ganito. There's no perfect relationship. There's no perfect person in this world. You only have to stay and make the imperfect person, a perfect person. And walang mangyayari if walang magandang mangyayari sa inyong relasyon if magstay ka sa cheater. So better let go and move on. Huwag ka nang mag-hold on. Let go, block everything. Delete all the old pictures, the memories, the numbers, his or her accounts on Facebook, on social medias. That's my advice to you. And make peace with yourself. Love yourself first. Okay? So hanggang dito na lang tayo sa susunod, sa ulitin. Next topic, we will talk about kung ano ang mas maganda sa relationship. Okay?